Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome in. And in the land of girls, oh my gosh, look where we are. We're in Huntley, Illinois. Huntley, Illinois. This is where they make Weber kettles. They make 15,000 different Weber products in this facility every day. And we're getting an exclusive view of it. You and me get to take a tour of this facility today, folks. I tell you what, it's going to be so excited. Let's
right here, folks. You want to talk about pride in their workmanship? The Weber employees, the hourly employees, put together this little display here because they're very proud of what they do. Look at all the kettles in here. This is what they make here, and it's really, really cool. A lot of pride in their workmanship here, and it shows in their quality too. Thumbs up. Well, these are some of the 70th anniversary kettles. We've got Rock and Roll Blue right here, ready for you, and Steiner Green. Oh man, I tell you what, don't you just want to take them home with you? I know I do. All right, folks, look up there. 22-inch kettles. They make 2 miles. If you stand them up wheel to wheel every day, 2 miles of 22-inch Weber kettles every day. That's awesome. All right, folks, we talked about quality control. Obviously, you're going to have some defects, and the key to defects is finding them before it makes its way to you. And you can see right here that you can barely see the little blemish in the paint here. They've circled it, and this won't go to you. And I tell you what, the quality control here, they've got many different steps. We're going to go to the quality control lab and take a look at how they do it in the lab. But it's really, really interesting. And I'll tell you what, it's very cool. All right, folks, this is pretty cool right here because we're packaging and assembling a whole bunch of different lines. You can see we got the Q1000 line, we got accessories over there, even you got the Smoky Joe over there, and then the Ranch line over there. It is absolutely awesome what's going on here, and we got the full view of it right here in Huntley, Illinois. Any questions about whether or not it's made in America? It should be answered by now. Thumbs up.
Folks, before we continue on, I just want to talk about some of the things that didn't make the video. I did see them doing the porcelain coating. It's really kind of cool, but because there was a lot of employees in the videos and it's kind of their trade secret, they didn't allow that one to fly. I also watched them stamp these kettles, the bottoms and the tops, which is really also another cool process, but didn't make it. But I watched it all going on there. I watched a lot of the manufacturing, putting together. There's believe it or not, you would think that it would have a lot of robots in there, but there had some robots that put together like the bigger boxes for the Genesis, but all these grills are more or less being hand assembled. And they have a lot of jigs set up, and it was really, really fascinating to watch. And I wish I could have got more of that, but I tell you what, we're still honored, and I'm thrilled for both you and I that we were able to get this inside look at Weber. Let's continue on.
We're talking about quality control. This is where they test all the grills. So this is like an environmental thing. You put it in there, they spray salt water, they can spray water, they can make it cold, they can make it hot, and see how the grill responds to that to make sure that when you get it home, no matter where you are, whether you're in Alaska or in Miami or wherever you are, that your grill's going to work perfect in your environment. All right, folks, you need a new gas grill? As far as you can see down the line. And look at the colors. Look at that ocean blue right there. Oh man, I'll tell you what, wouldn't you like to have one of those on your patio or deck? I know I would. Thumbs up, folks. All right, there he is, the man himself, George Stevens, folks. I'll tell you what, this has been just a thrill for you and for me. I want to thank everybody at Weber, the Huntley manufacturing facility. This was an awesome, awesome tour, folks. Thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Don't forget to go to Weber.com. Check them out at your local Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Home Depot. Thanks for watching, folks. We really appreciate it.